So hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my another video. So in this video I'm gonna introduce you to variables. So this is gonna be a very exciting video, so let's continue. So firstly you have to imagine that you have an empty jar as I'm showing you in the screen. Okay, so this jar is empty and it has no value, right? But if you put some grains in it, it is having definitely a value, because in this empty jar which was in this jar which was empty, if you have put grains, it means it has a value. Same like that, we have variables. Okay, so as you can see in the screen, this variable is equals to grains. So imagine this variable is a jar and this jar is having a value grains, so this jar is having grains, right? So this variable means grains. Okay, there are more types of variables, but some of the most basics are three types of variables. Okay, the string variables, the integer variables, and the float variables. Now the string variables are basically like any words. Okay, for example grains. The integer variables are the integers, for example 456, and the variable type float is having a decimal value, for example 78.98. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and in next video we will do practical in Visual Studio Code and we will make a simple coding in our next video. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video, share this video with friends and family so that they could also learn programming. Let's go.